Trading meme coins isn't actually tough. It's just that you get to know about these cryptocurrencies way later than people like us. Your entry points are generally where crypto traders are actually taking out their profits and you become their exit liquidity. So, how do you actually get to know about good crypto projects way earlier before they hit any of these centralized exchanges like Binance? I mean, you can take a look at any of the top meme coins, right from Trump to Peanut. All of these cryptocurrencies were first launched in the crypto trenches where people started to invest way early on and made huge profits before it even reached any of these centralized exchanges like Binance. In this video, I will not only talk about finding good crypto projects way early on using platforms like GMGN, Photon, and so on and so forth, but also I will talk about a specific tool called as Token Spy, which helps you in finding out rug pulls and make sure that you do not invest in potential scams. It helps you in the complete analysis of any meme coin. Now, cryptocurrency in itself is pretty risky, and if you're going into the trenches, then it's a nightmare for people who don't know what they're doing. So it's much better to use a tool like Token Spy in order to navigate and make sure you are safe from any potential rug pulls. But before that, let's get onto my laptop and see how to find good crypto projects early on. Okay, so here we are on GMGN's website. Now, this is one of the tools that we will be exploring along with Photon. So these are the two tools that I will be comparing in front of you and see which tokens are currently being listed over here and compare both of them. Along with that, we will also be using Token Spy, which is used in order to analyze any of the meme coins that we will be looking at. So let's look at every single thing in detail right now. So the first thing that you need to do is install Phantom, right? So Phantom is a crypto wallet, which is the most popular one on Solana blockchain. So just install Phantom, or if you don't have one, if you just want to do it through Telegram, I've made a separate video for that. You can go check it out. Now I'll just connect Phantom over here. Let me just add this. And once you've connected your Phantom wallet, you can then go over to the trenches part. Now, trenches is a part where we will be able to have an entire look of all the coins that are being launched right now. Right from coins launched like 1 second, 2 seconds ago to even coins 9 minutes, 20 minutes, and even an hour ago. So we'll be able to look at all the crypto coins over here. The same goes with Photon. So go over to the Photon's website. All the links are down in the description box as well as in the pinned comments. Connect your wallet. Here I'll be connecting my Phantom wallet. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go to Memescope. There, you'll be able to see a similar screen, which is newly created pairs, about to graduate, and graduated, just like GMGN. Now let's look at what's the difference between GMGN and Photon. Almost both the platforms are quite identical, but on GMGN, if you look at it, here the cryptocurrencies or the meme coins that are being listed are much less in number as compared to Photon. You'd be able to see all of them. Zero is over here, there's Batten, there's Lo-Fi Cat, but there'll be a lot more. Now, if you're just starting out, then it's better to stick with GMGN because it's much easier to understand as well as invest in coins which are much more audited than Photon. So it's much better to invest over here if you're just starting out. However, if you're someone who has more experience, they can go over to Photon, and here the coins that are listed, the speed at which you can do transactions and all the other things are much higher than GMGN. Of course, it's a bit more complex, but all the expert crypto traders generally use Photon. There are other platforms as well. I'll be linking some of them down in the description box. You can check it out, but almost all of them look kind of the same. Now, apart from that, let's first find a crypto token that we want to analyze and then start analyzing it right away. So as you can see, I will be looking at cryptocurrencies only from the last column. These two are very risky to invest in, and I would not recommend anyone to start off by investing in these two columns. Of course, there are traders who just trade on these two columns, but we'll be using this particular column, which is the completed one, who have successfully graduated and are now on Raydium or any other decentralized exchange. So let me go over to, say for example, Lo-Fi Cat. Alright, so let's analyze Lo-Fi Cat and see how it is doing. First of all, the chart in itself does not look good at all. This looks like a pump and dump. So I'm just going off right after seeing the chart. So let's look at some other coins. There's Zero. Let's look at this. Okay, the chart looks good. We have it on the 1 minute chart. Sometimes people trade on 1 second as well, which is also pretty good, but it's generally recommended to first go on 1 minute and then see how it's doing in 1 second as well. So this particular coin looks good to me, but how do I analyze it in depth? The best thing to do is just copy its contract address. Here is the contract address. It'll be the same for Photon. So if you go down and here you can see Zero, it's the same token. And here you can just copy it from this button. You can copy the contract address, and then the second step is the most important. First, you have to install Token Spy. How do you install it? Go over to Google, search for Token Spy, Chrome extension. After that, you will be able to see this particular link. Just go over there and install the Solana Rug Checker Token Spy, which is there on Google's official Chrome web store. Once you've installed it, it would come over here. So let's paste the token address that we have just copied from here. This is the token address. Let me just paste it over here and search for it. So here, as you can see, the top holder has 12.43% of the tokens. Then there's 84 out of 99 token score, which is quite good. Apart from that, you'll be able to go over to overview. You'll be able to see all of these other things, then top holders and other things as well. If I go over to GMGN, over here, you'll be able to see that top 10 holders hold around 30% of the total supply, 30%. But here, when I go on the overview and risk analysis, top holder has 12%. And here, if I go down, let me just show it to you. Holders, and here I'll be able to see all the holders. And the top holder currently has 13%, 12.85 to 13%. He is continuously buying and selling it. So as you can see, Token Spy is completely accurate and is updating real time. Whenever you search for a token, it updates all of its data and analyzes it to give you a token score over here. So this way, instead of going through all of these holders, checking each one of them, for example, going on Solana Scan, searching for that holder's address, seeing what tokens he is holding, how active he is, doing all of these things takes a lot of time. Instead, if you have a tool like Token Spy, it can actually do all of those things in 1 second and give you a token score of how safe it is to invest in this. Of course, this is cryptocurrencies and these are the trenches. So this is the highest level of risk, but tools like Token Spy help you in mitigating those. So I hope you guys like this video. Do share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more such updates. I keep on posting videos related to leveraging tech in order to build wealth as well as businesses, be it crypto, e-commerce, so on and so forth. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.